Okay, good morning and welcome to the Daily Double. Today we're doing Maseches Orlah, Perek Sheni, Mishnayos Hey and Vav. Mishnah Hey says, Dustai ish kfar yasma, havim talmidei Shammai. He was a talmidim of Shammai, Shammai himself. I guess he was part of Beit Shammai. Amar, Shamati mishamai zakin sha'amar la'olam eno matame ad shehiyavo kabetza. This is going back on the previous Mishnah from yesterday, where it records that Beit Shammai is held a machlokas. Even though normally we assume tumas ochlin, Okel can only transmit tuma if it's tummy to something else. If it's a share of kabetza, Beit Shammai says when it comes to Orlah and Kilaya Kerem, even if that's tummy, it can transmit even pakos with kabetza. Here we have one of the talmidim of Shammai saying that Beit Shammai is wrong. That's not what Shammai said. Shammai agreed with Beis Hillel that it needs to have tumas. It has to have a kabetza in matame, even if it's Orlah and Kilaya Kerem. Vav Lama Amru Kol Machametz. Lama Amru Kol Machametz Metabel Medameya Lahachmir Ben Min Bamino Lahaka Lahachmir Minim She'eno Mino. We said yesterday also that even though normally Orlah and Kilaya Kerem are batal 1 in 200 and Truma is batal 1 in 100, in certain circumstances when the Orlah acts as yeast to help the bread rise, or it gives taste, it's one of the tablin, it gives taste in the soup, in the pot, or a medameya, or it's mixed in and it gives a strong taste in a kedera, in a pot of let's say a slow roasting food, slow cooking food. Lahachmi or mimimino. We'll see. It comes out of the chumrah of mimimino that even one to 200 is not batal. By Orlah Kalai Karen, by Truma 1 to 100 is not batal. Lahachmir. Sometimes it's cool. Sometimes the lahachmir min b'she'eno min. I'll talk about things that are min b'she'eno, meaning two different types of foods. Right. One, the Orlah is not the same type of food as the kosher food, or the non-usher food. So, Kate, next we're going to explain in this mission the minimum. Kate, the sor shal chitim. Let's say you have yeast of chitim shenafal, or sourdough of chitim shenafal toch yeast of chitim. It fell in minimum, a bread of chitim which was chulin v'yishbo kedei lechametz. It has enough in order to by itself, right? The Orlah in order to be machmetz it. Ben sheyishbo la'alos be'acharomeya, ben she'ein bo la'alos be'acharomeya. Whether it has 100 to 1 to 200 in a bottle. I'm sorry, this is talking about truma. This actually is talking about truma, because 1 in 100 is relevant to truma. Whether it has 1 in 100 to batal or not, it's less than 1 in 100, it's usher. Even if it has 1 to 100, it's not batal. Ein bo la'alos b'meya ve'echa, ben sheish bogdam l'chametz, ben she'ein mokdei l'chametz, it's usher. If it's not a ratio of 1 to 100, less than a ratio of 1 to 100, even if by itself it can't be machmetz, it wouldn't be called hamachametz, it's still not batal, because even a regular thing, which you have truma mixed into a mixture, and they're not even being cooked together, so it's less than 1 to 100, it's not batel. The chiddush of this Mishnah is that it's min b'mino, right? It's causing the bread to rise. So even if you have 1 to 100, it's not batel. I'm going to explain the reason for this chumrah over here in Ian Mitzion coming up next.